You search for how to buy shares of Chewy. Chewy is an online pet products retailer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CHWY, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker CHWY to locate Chewy. Select the result that shows Chewy on NASDAQ so you pick the correct listing. Open the Chewy stock page to review basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker CHWY, and the NASDAQ listing before you proceed. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in the portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this same example.